Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable preferred suggestions with others for journaling suggestions on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on settings, and in the settings page we scroll down and then tap on privacy and security. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on journaling suggestions, and in here we scroll down to the nearby people section and tap on preferred suggestions with others. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off preferred suggestions, and so here prioritize suggestions that include moments you share with your contacts or large groups. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.